Hello everyone, this is Brick. I was prompted to do a video this morning. I didn't intend to, but I had a reply to one of my posts on Investor Hub, and I decided to do a little short video on it. Here's my contact information. You can pause this screen to write this down, and that's just for your information. I received this reply to a post I did yesterday on Investor Hub. And hey, bro, I will buy you a zillion ounce steak if you get that lesson in place and trading is done as it should be. He's absolutely right. Mr. Pink is absolutely right. Here's the first post that prompted his reply. I was commenting on EGOC. It was trading, and it was going up. And then all of a sudden there was a couple of instances where someone undercut the ask while the ask was being hit. Um, and if we go to, let me see if I can pull this up. Okay, here's the trades for the day. I originally alerted this somewhere around in here. Uh, now it may have been closer to here. Um, the stock was up on the day already, but I had been watching it all day, and I heard some rumors of this stock running. Whether it be news around the corner, somebody's running it, I don't know, and don't really care. All I want to do is hop on board and ride the train. So I got in around here, and I alerted on Twitter and on iHub, and it started running. Now, let's just scroll this down a little bit and we'll walk through these play-by-play action. This column here is all buys, okay? So 17 by 18, all buys. 18 by 19, buys. Then it uptick 18 by 2 and then 19 by 2, and we're still getting buys here, okay? And then it upticked to 20 by 21, and then it shows a sale. Now I've been watching the iHub level 2 lately, and a lot of these sales are actually buys. What they're doing is upticking and then showing the trade. So it makes it look like it's a sale, but this one was probably a buy. Okay, and we could probably go to other sources and find that out, but we're not going to worry about it for what we're doing here. Okay, so we're going up 20 by 21. Okay, and then there's an unknown trade, so it probably was a sale. So we're going on 20 by 21. We're getting all buys again, flopping around, but at 21 is getting hit. You can see over here the trades that are being hit, okay? So I'm going to scroll this down a little bit more. 20 by 21, we have a big sale. That's a big sale. That's somebody just wanting out, taking his profit, and going, moving on. Okay? But as we've seen before, we have been getting pounded with all of these buys. So why that person want to do that, I don't know, because these 21s were getting hit. And if you look, the next next round of buying is 22s. So this person sold at 2. He sold 2.9 million shares. He left $300 on the table right away by selling at 2 and still waiting instead of waiting to be took at 22. So there's a lesson right there. This is why you sell on the way up and do not whack the bid. Okay, so we're going. 22s here. Now here is where I really want to start touching on. We're up ticking 23 by 24, and there's a buy, okay? Then all of a sudden we have another buy, but look, 23 by 22. And if we go to the time here. 3:38 is when I wrote this, okay? So we're moving on. Uh, we had a couple of sales here, okay? Now we're 22 by 23. Then all of a sudden, someone undercut the ask. They moved down to 23. Right after 24 was hitting, okay? So this person lost, a whopping, what, $20 because he was too impatient to be taken in at 24. Well, he lost a little bit of money there, and he may have been here too, the same person. And look what happens, okay? After he undercut the ask at 23, the stock is starting to move again. It never really died. There's a blip right there. Someone is impatient. Someone does not know how to trade a stock that is trending up. So we're going 22 to 24 here, okay? And it's just getting pounded. All of a sudden, 22 to 25. And 22, 24. So we're trading 22, 24 here. And then all of a sudden it upticks. Okay, 24 by 25. We're right at the bell. Somebody didn't want to hold for the next day. They must be trading with a prop firm, is all I can say. Because why someone would not want to hold this to the next day when this thing is just getting pounded into the close, I just don't know. But 24, 25, and then we got a whack at the end there for a sale at 24. Somebody was just too impatient to stick with it till the next day. This stock has a big potential to gap up. So this person who sold these shares here probably could have sold them at 25, 26, maybe 27 on Monday morning if the stock gaps up. There's all indications here that this stock may gap up. Now, the moral of the story on this video lesson. This is the thing right here that I want to center in on. This stock was getting hit at 24. Someone got impatient and hit the 23s. Okay? Someone bought a 24. Someone undercut the ask at 23. This is a very small blip here, okay? Now you can look at other stocks where this is just relentless. In the last couple of days, I've been seeing this a lot where people are undercutting the ask. Now, I do not wish to impose my trading standards on everyone. You may do what you wish. But if you want a stock to run successfully, you have to buy and sell on the ask. I've already done one video lesson on this to show that buying and selling on the ask will do a couple of things. Number one, you will make more money when you sell because you are maximizing your profit because you are selling on the ask. Number two, you're making your shares available for someone else to buy them at a higher price. He's happy, you're happy, everybody's happy. When you start whacking the bid or undercutting the ask, you're taking money out of your pocket and you're stopping the momentum for the next person who is wanting to participate in the stock. Now, if you are thinking of only of yourself, then you're going to whack the bid, you're going to undercut the ask. But what if you're in a stock that you really want to run, a different stock, and someone does the same thing to you, okay? This is what we're calling practice good trading, okay? Now, I hope this has been a good lesson for you. I am not a financial advisor. Uh, this message is definitely in my opinion, okay? So you should make your own decisions in your trades, in all of your stock trades, including penny stocks. I hope this informational video has been helpful to you. Thank you.